Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2016 Chevy Equinox LTZ, stock number X194B. 41,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. We sold this Equinox brand new, champagne silver, metallic in color. Equinox seats 5, leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Equinox is a very safe vehicle with advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, forward collision alert, backup camera, and rear parking sensors. Trailer hitch. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LTZ has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, upgraded Pioneer sound system, power seats, along with memory settings for 2 drivers. With driver information system, cruise control. That's also where you set the forward collision alert. Steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, full radio. It's also satellite radio capable, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio, heating and air conditioning, along with heated front seats, automatic transmission with manual shift capability, as well as economy mode. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and height adjustable liftgate control. Under the hood, this Equinox is a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average of 22 miles per gallon and a city average of 32 on the highway, and approximately 30% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Equinox, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.